and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a truck cleaning routine. Alan is going to be cleaning the inside of his truck and he's gonna show you how he does it, and he's also gonna show you everything that he uses. We're also going to be testing out this product today, which I showed you guys in a previous video when I told you guys that Alan loves to clean his truck. So I got this and it's really cool. It is actually a vacuum for your vehicles. It's from a company called Make Lemonade, and this is the cute little box it came in, and I love that it came in its own carry-in case, which is really cool because you can store it in your vehicle and use it whenever you're ready to clean. So these are all the little items that it came with. So you plug it into your truck using this, the 12 volt. It also comes with this little brush attachment and this attachment as well. And then you just hook on the brush to that. And this is what it looks like, very interesting. So I just took the cap off. It has a little protective cap there, and then this is what the vacuum part looks like. This can also be removed, and it has like a little filter inside, and I'm assuming that's how you clean it out. You empty it, take that out, and then empty your dirt or whatever it is you have in your car. Kiki has already decided that this is her box and this is where she's going to sit. Kiki, if you don't mind, I need this. So the paper here just has instructions and things like that, ways to connect with the company. Tells you everything that's in the box, the car adapter, dustbin cover. It has an off and on switch, the main unit, flexible hose attachment, brush attachment, nose attachment, and the storage box. Tells you how to remove everything and all that fun stuff, and also how to clean out the dustbin. So today is Sunday. We actually went to church today, and then we went to my parents' house and we ate so much food. I feel like I'm going to pass out. I'm feeling really tired, but his truck hasn't been cleaned in a while because he's been so busy. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. All right, so we're fixing to start cleaning the truck, and the first thing we're going to do is wipe down the dash with these cleaning automotive wipes. They're from Target. It's the Up and Up brand, and they work pretty good. And my job for right now is to get rid of the garbage. So I brought this garbage bag out here that I already had garbage in, because I didn't want to waste garbage bags. And so I'm gonna just start gathering up things and putting it in the garbage. We got things like leftover Gatorade up in here, water bottles, papers, receipts, things like that. So I'm going to take all of the trash out while he is over there wiping it all down, baby. So we're going to be cleaning the windows with some of this glass cleaner spray away. It says world's best. It's foaming. I've never tried it before, so we're gonna test it out for the first time today. And we're using paper towels. And always make sure you have a garbage bag or a little Walmart bag ready so you can throw your tissues and paper towels away when you're cleaning. So now we are starting to vacuum just the floor of the truck, mainly like the mat and just some of the carpet on the floor. And so this is a handheld portable corded wet and dry car vacuum. It comes with 3 attachments and a replaceable filter. So this little handheld vacuum is not only good for your cars and trucks, but it's also good for boats and RVs or any other location that needs a quick cleanup. I will have the link posted for this down below if you guys want to check it out. I really like it. It's lightweight. It works pretty good. And I love that it has this extra long wire so you don't have to unplug it and move it to the other side. It's long enough that it just reaches literally everywhere. So I thought that was pretty cool. And now the last step. Spray your seats and everything with this Lysol disinfectant spray. Thanks so much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you like my stuff. Leave me some comments and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.